Hello everyone, it is officially Sunday morning. We are just about a few days away from Kermes Carnival starting. It starts on my 20th birthday on August 1st, and I cannot wait to visit. I visit pretty much every year because it's not too far from where I live, so I can ride my bike over there. So I'm filming this a day before the rides start getting set up, because on Mondays when they start bringing all the rides in, and just hoping that it's not the same rides again, because they've been bringing the same thing over and over. But if it is, then I can't do nothing about it. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and share. It is going to be a long kind of vlog that I'm doing for my birthday, so this is pretty much a birthday vlog that I'm doing, because this is my first time doing this, especially when it's on my birthday. So we'll see you guys tomorrow on Monday, and I just wanted to tune in with you guys to let you know what's going on. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm back home right now. So as you guys saw in that footage, the one ride that was new was the Egyptian boat ride, as you guys saw. But the rest of them, I kind of figured they were going to bring the same rides again, because those rides have been here for the past few years since Kermes Carnival was here. So far they didn't bring more rides just yet. They did set up a slightly different. So we'll see later on. I'm not sure if that Music Express is going to arrive. I hope so. Fingers crossed. But, because, you know, it's my 20th birthday, so I just hope that they bring that ride. But if not, then there's nothing I can do. I mean, they did move the tent to the side, which looks a lot better. It doesn't take up a lot of space, because the way they've been doing it, they've been putting it like the opposite way. It's been taking a bunch of space. It just doesn't look good. But this time they made it a lot better. So I will see you guys later on, probably in the evening, and we'll see what happens. So see you guys later. Guys, that's the Pharaoh's Fury ride. They're bringing it in. There it is, guys. Pharaoh's Fury. There they go. Alright guys, it is actually Saturday night. If you guys are unaware about why I haven't gone to the carnival just yet, that's because of the wildfires in Canada. Now I live in Illinois, so basically on the 31st, the smoke came here. And the air quality has gotten terrible out there. It got to the very unhealthy level, which is like, it went up to 204, which 204 is not good. So that's basically in close to the hazardous level, which thank God it didn't go up there. But still, So I couldn't unfortunately celebrate my birthday at the carnival on the 1st. So right now I'm waiting until tomorrow on Sunday. Hopefully this stuff clears up because it's been about 3 days now since this air has been bad. It did go down slightly this afternoon, but when the evening hit, it came right back. The smoke came at the surface again and the air went bad again. I'm like, come on, man. So basically my birthday was so-so again. So it was about the same as last year. So just to let you know. So I'm not going to keep you guys holding up. I'm going to move until tomorrow. Just hoping that this air clears up. And we'll see what happens from there. So I hope you guys like my shirt. I went to Pensacola, Florida back in 2023. So without further ado, let's see what happens. See you guys later. Hello everyone, it is officially Sunday afternoon. So I checked the air quality and right now it is 120, which is in the unhealthy level, which again, I cannot be outside due to this asthma that I currently have. And it's been like this for 4 days since the 31st. And in all honesty, it's just been a weird birthday week in my opinion, which I wish this would not have happened this year, because I was expecting to have a great birthday, like 100%. But because I'm gonna make a decision for next year if I should celebrate it or not, because there's been a whole number of stuff that's been going on this year, and it's just been a brutal year for me. So as far as that, we're gonna wait until later on and see if the air improves, which keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully it does, because I'm supposed to be doing a live stream tonight. But, and also the teardown. If you guys would like to see that teardown, I'll post it in the vlog. So I will see you guys later, and hopefully this clears up, but I can't guarantee. So see you guys later. And just like that, the music quiets, the lights dim, and the rides begin their journey until their next event. I watched Pharaoh's Fury roll out of the grass like a giant exhaling after days of joy. The carnival may be gone, but the memories stay lit inside me. Thank you, Waukegan. Thank you, Kermes Carnival. And thank you, God, for letting me witness this. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for Kermes Carnival. As you guys just saw, the Pharaoh's Fury ride leaving the carnival. So that's pretty much it about the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just wish that I would have gone as planned. And as you guys see, I do look a little different. I did get a haircut if you guys want to know. But just wish that I would have had a great birthday, like celebrating it on the exact day. But I still got a whole month ahead of me, which I know does make pretty much a lot of sense. But still, I wish I would have went if this air quality wasn't so bad. But right now, the air quality has improved, which is great. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, turn those notifications on, so that way you won't miss some of my videos. Lake Forest Days is coming up very soon, which starts today. And I will be filming the rides and pretty much showing you everything. So it is a different layout if you guys want to know. It's a different layout. So it looks a little weird, but still looks nice no matter what. So that's pretty much it, guys. So happy August to every single one of you, and I will see you guys later. Peace out.